Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Um, Welcome back to another coding every day until I get a job. This is day 47. I'd like to continue the project again. Yesterday, we were able to finish some of the admin functionalities, although the UI is still messy. But right now, I want to continue with like fetching the data dynamically. So I guess what we will need to do is to create an API routes. I uh, read a lot, I watch a few videos, and I want to implement kind of infinite scroll and using React Query. I have to ask a lot of AI for this, so I hope it works. To be honest, I'm not that familiar with React Query yet. Um, I've tried to use it before, but I didn't really understand it completely yet. But I hope I can um, use the code or understand it a little bit. Probably wouldn't work the first time, but that's just how it will goes, I guess. Hello, good morning. Um, I want to configure the chat. Good morning in OBS. There we go. And yeah, I think that should do it. And should be here. And yeah, we could already see the chat in OBS. Pretty cool. Do let me know if the music is a bit too loud. Hopefully it's not, but let's run it in our dev server. And yeah, let's try to create this dynamic page from the data. So I think the first thing is I need to create the a/API for the resources. I think I'm still logged in. I think there is a setting to uh, delete the session, I think, because I think the session right now is just running continuously and doesn't have like a stale that doesn't expire. And I think we should make that expired. But yeah, basically we want to make this fetch resource data, and of course I want to try to make this yeah, let's get the API routes going. I think we're going to use the /API/resources and then create a route.ts. I think I would assume. Okay, it's in the app API. I think I can delete the protected because that was for testing. The admin is also was created, but doesn't really, I didn't really use it. So we're gonna name it resources, and then we make a route.ts. Yeah. So yeah, admin is working just fine. Now we just want this data here to be dynamic, taken from the database that we made yesterday. Okay, cool. I have some of my notes again because I'm still unsure or quite unsure how to do it, but we'll see how it goes. I think we would need the right, and I hope you don't mind. Eating breakfast. That's the next request. And try catch block, I guess. In the try, we would have good morning, hello, hello. Um, so since it's going to be, it's sort of like, I think, a pagination. Okay. So we need to set a limit first. This is to grab the subject. I think this is for, I think, yeah, this is for filtering later as well, I believe. Congratulations for being liberated from Microsoft. So this is the query DB. It's from the Drizzle. Select ID, which is, oh, we're gonna need to import it from the schema. Yes. Dot ID again. Title, resource of the title, URL, resources URL, image URL, resources image URL. Forgot we have description, and after author is it sponsored? If okay, this is for the filtering later, I would assume. This is from Drizzle RM. Hmm. The chat is not okay. Wait 1 second. I think below my face. Okay, let me change that. Maybe somewhere around here would be better, like right there. Let me know if that's better. Maybe some text will get cut off, but it looks fine, I guess. Let me know if that's okay. Maybe a bit too, oops. Maybe a bit too, oops. Is this better? Maybe a bit to the left. I'm not sure, like, if this is fine or not. I think some words will get cut off. Is that okay? I don't know. Some of the chats are quite long. Maybe I can cut it off or change the CSS or something, but because it uses CSS, right? Like you can insert the custom CSS here, but I grab it from some website, so I haven't really checked whether it's like proper or not, but yeah. But okay, I hope it's much better and more visible. Thank you for pointing that out. Okay. Is limit from, okay, no. Offset. Oh, this is for pagination. Okay, my bad. I And now get tags for each resources. I hope this is correct. Okay. Is this correct? I am not sure. Where EQ do I have some typo? Resource tags. And I think it's gonna return its response. And then it's gonna Maybe this can be commented for now. The query has some type error. Let's see what it is. I forgot to put that. Yes. Okay. Do I have any other error? Cannot find the name T and this error. Okay, let's see. ID title description, URL, author, image URL, subject, author is sponsored, view count, like, hello, I want. Maybe we can try to comment it out first. And I think we should give this a try, I guess, and see if it's if it runs, if the API runs, I guess. And then I guess next we could try to use the setup the React query to implement the infinite scroll. If well, it's not really infinite. There's only a little bit of okay. Let's try to run the app and check if we can go /APIs as resources. Hey, it works. Okay, that's not bad. That's not bad. Okay, that works. That works. Hey, that's actually cool. Okay, nice. Oh my god. Okay, the thing is I only have four, like four, I think, yeah, four resources. So it won't need pagination, but maybe if I could add more. So let's go to localhost 3000 slash admin slash resources. We can add some more data into the database, and yeah, that should be awesome. Okay, cool. It works. Okay. URL is there, image is there, things like okay. I think we can try to fix we can make the card works today. Like there we go. Let's try to make at least add 10 so that let's see if the pagination works. So let's add new resources. Yep. This is one of the website that I really like to learn as well. It's more general. It's not only like power engineering and everything, but I read it mostly for power, but they have a lot for electronics and processing biotics. Yeah, basically, yeah, it's very, very cool. But I think let's be much more specific. Let's just go to YouTube and search for there's this like engineering explain. Is it engineering explain? I think I forgot. There we go. The engineering mindset. I really like all the videos, especially regarding power. So I think let's try to how it works. URL. Title and image URL is optional, but we're gonna grab this thumbnail from YouTube because that is cool. Wait, let us see, where is it? LED explains. Copy image address. Let's just add image URL. The author is the engineering mindset team. The subject in this term is electronics. It is a video and create resources. Okay, we all got 200. We can see that it works. Now, if we hit the API again, we can see that we have 5 now. Okay, let's make it 10 so that we could see can see something. Okay. Oh, okay. I need to add statistics to that then. Okay, 1 second. Or maybe we can do some of like basic C from CS50, sorry, CS50. Okay, I guess we can just do it.
Hello world, my name is David Malin and this is
Let's add more. This is the URL. The image URL we could use, copy image address is this. The author is CS50. CS50. Subject is, it's actually more programming side, right? I think I should add, okay, maybe I should change computer engineering to programming and something else. Okay, and then video, but it is also a course. Create resource. Nice. I think we have 6. We can add more. I think some of the basics class. Okay. Maybe. Oh my god, the goat. So this. Who is that person, man? That always appears whenever you found. No, not this. I forgot his channel. Forgot his channel. It's yeah, organic chemistry tutor. He is the goat and have helped me so many times working with math stuff and some basic trigonometry and things like, oh, I forgot to add math. Okay, let's add math to the subject. All the calculus, all the, yeah, integration.
Hey Felix, kannst du uns
He also have a lot of electronic stuff, so this is also very, very cool. By the organic chemistry tutor URL. Let's copy image address and image URL. Let's use that. It's the organic chemistry tutor. The subject is, in this case, electronics. It is another video and it is a course as well, and it's created. Okay, let's add 3 more so that we could have some pagination. And then the other is Khan Academy, one of my favorite that have helped me throughout engineering as well. Let's see what type of playlist that we have. L. Khan Academy, I think in this term is electrical engineering, so I'm gonna put it in general because it's the whole subject. It's also a video and a course. Introduction to electrical engineering by Khan Academy. Created. There we go. We have 8. We need to add 2 more so that we can have a little bit of pagination. And I think the other one is, I think his name is Brian Douglas. There we go. He explains all the control theory very, very easily, and it's just amazing. Control System Lectures by Mr. Brian Douglas. The GOAT, Brian Douglas. Copy image address, image URL, and this is the YouTube URL. The subject is Control Systems. It is another video as well as a course. Let's create them. And then the other channel, I think, is I want to do much more machine learning. It was, I forgot his name. He's I forgot. Is it this one? No, it was. Is it programming with Mosh? Is it Mosh? No, no, it was the other guy. I forgot his name. Okay, let's find like Free Code Camp, I guess, because Free Code Camp is just full of everything, anyways. Let's go playlists, and I think let's like for like yeah, it's the better system. Is it Arduino or ESP32 or Arduino? Some like. Let's just input some random videos. It's fine. Robotics. And in this case, it is embedded systems. And let's take the thumbnail here. Oh, can we take the thumbnail? Good morning. Hello. Hello, hello. Good morning. Have a nice day as well, everyone. Hope I have a cool and okay, there we go. We can get the image address. There we go. And then it's a video again. And I think for fun's sake, let's just do ChatGPT, I guess. I don't know. Because this is OpenAI. No, I want to go to ChatGPT. Where is it? ChatGPT. Okay, let's just do Claude, I guess. Claude.ai. Okay, let's add one more resources. Claude AI. If I go to https://claude.ai, would that work? That would work. It would just go to the login page because when I sign in. Do you have an image that we can grab, Claude? Well, this is nice. Copy image address. Let's go here. The author of Claude is Anthropic. Anthropic, let's do that. Is that correct? That's correct. And this is going to be machine learning / AI. I think I need to add that. And it's going to be website and AI. So let's create resources. There we go. We have around 11. So I think the pagination would start to work now. There we go. Okay, cool. Now, I think we should try to set up the TanStack query for the infinite query that we want to do. So it is tanstacks/react-query as well as the dev tool, I think. React query tools. Okay, nice. I think now we could make a... okay. I think the next API route that we want to make is the individual one. So let's do that. We have resources, but then inside resources we have ID, and inside of here we have another route.ts. Because this is the individual one, it's also facing. It's also a get having the... I'm gonna stop talking. This should be working, right? Or is it not like this? Let's try to redo that. I don't think it's okay. So it's going to be export. Okay, that's already correct. Nice. We imported broadcasting. pretty much it, I guess. Respawn, resource not found. Although, let's check the docs. How to do. Okay, there is no example. I don't know which one is correct. Ah, sorry, it's not return response. Return next response. Oh, JSON. There we go. That should work. Okay. And then after, oh, we need to get the tags as well. Need to import flex from. Yeah. Ah. Then we'll split them. It should be done right now, right? Although Quests. Yeah, where do we have quests? Do we need the requests? Okay, let's see if the ID works. Although even though the ID is random, let's test it, I guess. Let's try to grab some random ID over here and do that. See if that works. Probably. Okay, it works actually. Hello, Mr. Jam. Okay, that actually works, kinda. Okay. Let's try. Oh my god, okay. That's actually not that bad. Okay. Let's try a different one, maybe. So this works. Okay, yeah, resources. Okay. Let's try this. Copy and then use that ID and it worked. Wow, okay, that's actually pretty cool. Okay. Now I think we can set up the React query for the trying the infinite scroll. I'm not entirely familiar with that much, so I do ask a lot of AI for this, so I apologize that this is a bit trolling. But okay, that works. Nice. Okay. That's actually not that bad. Okay, wow. I'm surprised. That's actually pretty good. Not bad. Okay. I just need to create a back button here so that the admin will just go here. Uh, So yeah, I want to try to the API for the resources. Hey, what's up, man? Hello, hello. So the API for the resources works because yesterday from the admin panel we can create, update, delete them, things like that. So it works. Now I just want to implement uh, the dynamic data in the main page, because previously it's just it's hard-coded data, right? So I want it to be dynamic right now. So yeah, that's I've been reading and watching about like infinite scroll, even though it's not gonna be infinite using Query. So I hope it will work. I'm not that familiar yet with Query, so might need to read the docs and ask some AI to help me with this. Okay, cool. Do not consent. So I think we're going to create some custom hooks, right? To fetch to fetch the resources. Okay, it's still compiling. Yeah, this data is still hard coded, but right now I really want to make it a bit more dynamic, basically. But yeah, sorry if this is only in light mode. I haven't considered dark mode yet. Hello. So, okay, let's give that a try. I am so sorry if the stream delayed too much. I'm using OBS, and I don't know if there are some settings that I didn't do properly or something. Rick and Morty. Instack router. Okay, we'll talk about this later, or learn about it later. The query. We already installed it. Now we need to create a query client, right? And wrap yeah, okay. Okay. We want infinite queries. Okay. I forgot. What is my time zone? But sometimes I could do it in the morning, but sometimes I also do it uh at night. It really depends on the day. Or should I make a schedule? Because sometimes it's I have certain days where I might have to do something in the morning. That means I can do the stream at night, and if I able to do it in the morning, I didn't do it at night, or if there's something I need to do during the day, I might do it at night. I prefer doing it in the morning because I think I can think better. Because if it's at night, I would be either sleepy or just have too many typos or just doing the wrong thing. But yeah, if I have something to do in the morning, or if I forgot, or if I overslept, that means I'm gonna do it in the evening. So yeah, apologies for the inconsistent schedule. Thank you. You will assign a unique key for your infinite query scroll. Okay, the intent was infinite square, but as of right now, it's only like 11. So I think probably later I would add maybe like 50 to 100 resources, but I really want to test it. Thank you. But okay. But I think the most important part is I need to make the provider first, right? I need to make this query client query client provider first. Okay, let's do that. Should I make a folder called providers, or just components? I didn't use the app directory. I didn't use the SRC. Okay, it's lagging again. Thank you. Oh my god. Then the file name. Okay. I put it on utils, then the file name. Okay. I don't have utils. I have lib. Can I put it on lib? Or I guess would it matter, or as long as it's like as long as it's a convenient place. Okay, let's not make too much folder. It's already a lot of folders that we have here. So let's just put it in here. Okay. Oh my god, thank you guys. Okay, I will try to make a schedule. I prefer doing it in the morning, like around this time, like at 10 or 11 a.m. because I don't know, it's just much better, I guess. But I will try to be more consistent in the future. But the thing is, for the next 2 days, I need to go to Berlin to renew my passport. So for the next few days, it would probably either I'm on the road or at the hotel or somewhere, or if I didn't do any stream, I'll probably do a longer stream on Saturday, because tomorrow and until Friday I need to renew my passport in Berlin. So yeah, I apologize for the next 2 days. It would be a bit messy, and well, yeah, it's gonna be a bit weird. Okay, so we need. So I think it's going to be a component, right? If it's in Next.js, we're going to import query client, query client provider, and query dev tools. From the video that I watched, that it recommends to have some dev tools. Okay, we could name it direct query provider, and this is from a GitHub example from the tutorial, but I think it's I need to change it a little bit. Okay. Let's see. It has children as a prop. Children, and the children is children. Sorry, 1 second. Wait 1 second. Children react node. Is that correct? Yes, that's correct. Okay. And I think we create a cons query client use state and then new query client default options is queries. This is stale time of 60. Fetch on. Okay. For client provider. Query client, and then gonna take the children and query dev tools initial. Okay. I think this is it correct? Is it not correct? Or is it throwing error? Do I need to import something from React Node, React Query Provider? Why is it? Children, and then here we go, and then why is it still error? What? Okay. I'd like to check what the error is. Huh, okay, what's wrong here? New query client, we already create that. So what is the mistake here? Children, it's also children, right? Children. Okay, what did I do wrong here? Let's try to do that. It's children. Why is it throwing an error? Oh shit, I forgot its function. right? Okay, yeah, okay. Forgot to add the function. God damn it. Okay. Okay. In your NVim, you can do E in it to see that. Oh, really? Okay. I think I didn't have that set up. Okay, now after this, we need to add the providers to the layout, right? Yes, we need to add the providers to the layout. So we can import React query provider. Yep. And then now we need to wrap the React query provider inside the body, I think. There we go. I should do it. And then we can create a hook. Okay. The next step is to create like a hooks, I think, like a custom hooks to fetch all the data. To use the infinite query, take the keys and function, and then display it on the resource cards. But I think I'm gonna try to do that tomorrow. Because I need to call my brother after this. Sorry, I was waiting for him, but yeah. So I'm gonna try to create the hooks and display it on the cards probably hopefully by tomorrow. We'll see how that will goes. I'll probably do it on the road or if I'm in Berlin and if I have time. Hopefully I have time, but so sorry. Have to end this abruptly. But yeah, we add some query providers. We created the API routes. It worked. I think we just need to create the hooks to grab the data and then displaying it on the cards. But yeah, thank you very much for watching. Sorry, this is gonna end a bit soon, short, because apparently I think he was on the road. Now he's back home. So I appreciate everyone. Thank you for helping. Thank you for commenting. I'll see you again tomorrow, hopefully, if the hotel Wi-Fi allows for a little bit of stream. And the camera quality would probably be terrible because I wouldn't bring my webcam. So, and the audio quality would also probably be terrible because I wouldn't be bringing the microphone. But yeah, we'll see how it all goes. Thanks, Yakub Fry. Thanks, man. Okay, see you tomorrow, hopefully, if the Wi-Fi at the Airbnb is sufficient. Bye-bye.